Okay, good afternoon everyone. I am teacher Bea Jean Bartiken, but you can call me teacher Bea. Okay, our lesson for today is all about the sound of alphabetical letters. Okay, let's start. Okay class, do you know what letter is this? Okay, yes, very good. It is letter A. But do you know what letter A sounds like? It sounds like ah, ah. What is it? Ah. Okay, very good. Ah as in aunt, aunt, aunt. Okay, very good. It's aunt, aunt. Okay, let's put it here. Next. Do you know what letter is this? Yes, it is letter B. But do you know what letter B sounds like? It's like B, B, B. Okay, what is it? B, B. Okay, very good. B as in ball, ball. What is it again? Ball. Okay, very good. Let's put it there, okay? Next letter. Do you know what letter is this? Yes, it is letter C. Do you know what letter C sounds like? It's like k, 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 k. Okay? K, k, k. Okay, very good. It's k, k, k. As in cat, cat. Cat. Okay, very good. Do you have cats in your house? Oh, I love cats. Okay, do you love cats? Oh, very good. Okay. Next, it's letter D. Do you know what letter D sounds like? Okay. Duh, 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 duh. Okay. Duh, duh. As in dog. Dog. Do you have dogs? Okay. Dogs are human friendly. They are a good friends. Okay. What is it again? Dog, dog, dog. Dog, dog, dog. Okay. Very good. Put it here. Next letter. Letter E. Do you know what letter E sounds like? It's like eh, eh. Okay? Eh, eh. Okay. Eh as in eggplant, eggplant. Okay. What is it again? Eh, eggplant. Okay, very good. Okay, next letter. Letter F. Letter F. Do you know what letter F sounds like? It's like okay. What is it again? Do it yourself. Okay, very good. As in fire. Fire. What is it again? Fire. Fire. Okay, very good. Next letter. It's Letter G. Do you know what letter G sounds like? It's like G, 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 G. Okay? Do it again. G, 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 G. Very good. G, G, as in goat. As in goat. Goat. Okay. Do it again. G, G, goat. 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 Okay, very good. Next letter. Letter H. Letter H. As in okay, do it yourself. Okay, very good. H as in hat. Okay, hat. Hat. Okay, very good. What is it again? Hat. Hat. Okay, very good. Next letter. Letter I. Letter I. Okay? Letter I. As in eh. Letter E. Letter E sounds like eh. Letter I sounds like eh. Okay? Okay, very good. As in eyes. Okay? Eyes. It's cold. Okay, next letter. Next letter. Letter J. Letter J. 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 Okay. As in jar. Jar. Okay, do it again. Jar. Jar. Okay, very good. Okay, let's review. What letter A sounds like? It's like Letter B, what does letter B sounds like? It's as in ball. Okay, very good. Letter C sounds like as in cat. Letter D sounds like dog. Okay, very good. Letter E sounds like egg, as in eggplant. Very good. Next, letter F as in fire. Letter G sounds like go, as in goat. Yes, very good. Next, letter H. Letter H sounds like hat. Okay. Next letter. Letter I as in eyes. Okay. Next letter. Letter J as in jar. Jar. Okay, very good. So, let's continue our topic next day. And okay, goodbye class. Thank you and God bless.